Hello students, today we will do class 6 GK chapter 10 our ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? Ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living environment. In this chapter you are having some alphabets jumbled and you will guess what the word is suggesting to you, and definition is also given here. So here, first one is a community of living organisms interacting with each other as well as with their physical environment, means non-living components. What is it called? It's called ecosystem. Now next definition is decayed organic matter used as a natural fertilizer for plants. Name of this natural fertilizer is compost. When organic matter is decayed, it is called compost. Poisonous substances present in our environment are called toxins. Unstable allotrope of oxygen in the stratosphere that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, means this is oxygen form mixture, chemical mixture form that is unstable, and it is present in the Earth's atmosphere layer that is called stratosphere. Stratosphere is between 10 to 15 km above the Earth's surface, and it absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun and protect us. I have to tell the name of the substance that are decomposed by microorganisms, means bacteria, within a time period, that is called biodegradable substances. All the animal species living in a particular region or time, that is called fauna. Will increase in Earth's surface temperature, bringing on a permanent climate change. It brings warmth in our environment, and it has been causes due to increase in carbon dioxide, and that is called global warming. Fuel from decomposition of organic matter for millions of years. The fuel that has been formed by decomposition of organic matter is called fossil fuels. Transformation of disposed material, means waste material, into new products, reducing consumption or use of fresh resources, is called recycle. When you are changing the waste material into new product, it is called recycle process. Precipitation containing pollutants combining with water vapor becomes highly acidic. When in season starts and first rain comes, it brings all the chemicals present in the air. So it becomes acidic. That's why it is called acid rain. It's called acid rain. A site used for disposal of solid waste by burying it, that is called landfill. Thermal treatment of solid waste by burning it in the furnace, that is called incineration. It is called incineration. Spraying of chemicals, pesticide, insecticide, fungicides on crops from an aircraft. This process is called crop dusting. This is called crop dusting. The atmosphere traps infrared radiation through presence of certain gases, result in warming up the Earth's surface. That is called greenhouse effect. Means the atmosphere is trapping carbon dioxide, that is called greenhouse effect. The migration of human population moving away from overcrowded areas to low density areas adjoining the city. This is called urban sprawl. Hope you enjoyed the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.